If you could hear your own body, the sound would be deafening. Every single cell you own is a tiny, high-definition radio transmitter. Right now, 30 trillion different signals are pulsing through your skin and bone, each one shouting its own specific message. It is a noise louder than every radio station on Earth combined, yet somehow you feel like one person. You are a 30 trillion channel broadcast. If every cell is talking, who is actually listening?
Caught a falling blast lately? You think you're reacting in real time, but there's a hidden speed limit inside your brain. Every signal has to swim across a gap to reach the next neuron, and that chemical crawl takes time. It's like watching a live broadcast with a persistent buffer. This lag creates a synaptic ceiling. Your conscious world is always a few milliseconds behind. But if chemistry is too slow, something much faster must be happening.
Think of the structural pillars inside your brain cells. They're buzzing, flipping their electrical poles back and forth trillions of times every second. It's like finding out the wooden beams in your house are vibrating at the frequency of a high-end computer processor. These are tubulin-dimers. They form a perfectly synchronized orchestra, far beyond a simple rigid scaffold. Since they're all playing the same tune, we have to wonder who's actually holding the baton.
Quantum effects generally need temperatures near absolute zero to stay stable. Your body is 98 degrees of hot, wet, vibrating chaos, a total nightmare for delicate physics. To survive, these states hide inside tiny, dry, oily shields called hydrophobic pockets. Imagine trying to keep a single candle lit during a hurricane by cupping it inside a heavy glass jar. It stays protected, sure, but that tiny flame is actually doing something far more sophisticated than just glowing.
Breathe in for 5 seconds, then out for 5. You're performing a biological hack. This rhythm acts like a heavy pendulum, slowly swinging to force the microscopic scaffolding inside your brain cells to vibrate in unison. Researchers call this tubulin-dipole synchronization. Your slow breath pushes millions of tiny cellular pulses into one perfect high-frequency hum. But aligning your internal engine is just the start, because once these structures sync up, they start behaving in ways that defy traditional physics.
Imagine a stadium crowd where everyone is shouting different things. Total chaos. But then, a rhythm takes over, and everyone starts doing the wave in perfect unison. Our molecules do this too. They stop bumping around randomly and snap into one single unified vibration. This organized state is known as a Froelich condensate. It transforms random heat into a laser-focused signal. Now, here is the mystery. Where does a signal that organized actually go?
Think of a flame. It has a clear shape, but it's really just energy passing through space. Researchers like Stuart-Hameroff and Roger Penrose argue the human body works exactly like that. We are a complex vibration held in a specific arrangement. We are ripples in an energy field, living broadcasts. If we are just temporary patterns of force, what happens when the frequency shifts?
Everything we've uncovered points to a single truth. Your body operates like a finely calibrated antenna. Tuning that signal is like finding the sweet spot on a guitar string where the note finally rings true. To start, try slowing your exhale to exactly 8 seconds whenever you feel tension today. That simple shift strengthens the nerve that quiets your system, improving your vagal tone. You graduate from mere reaction to active conducting. The full research archive is at jmthomasofficial.com.